Hey foodies, today in this video I'm going to show you how to cook cheese pops. Hope all of you will enjoy it. Here are the ingredients. Now take 2 cheese cubes and cut them into pieces. Keep them aside. Now beat an egg. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder and mix them well. Insert toothpicks on the cubes. Now coat them twice using the breadcrumbs and the egg mixture. In this way coat the other cubes. Now they are ready to fry. Deep fry them until they are golden brown. Now they are ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe and share your experience.